In this video, we will see examples of finding the area under the curve, which really means finding the probability that a certain event will take place. A certain test is designed to measure the satisfaction of an individual with his or her relationship. Suppose that the scores on this test are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 10. An individual with a score of 50 or less is considered dissatisfied with his or her relationship. According to this criterion, what proportion of people in the relationship are dissatisfied? Round your answer to at least 4 decimal places. As you can see, I underline the word proportion. When you are asked about the proportion, you are really looking for the area under the curve within the described interval. So let's find out what that described interval looks like. We are told that the mean of this distribution is 60 and standard deviation is 10. And the fact that the test results are approximately normally distributed allows us to use the normal curve. Mean is labeled in the center. Standard deviation of 10 means that when I am trying to find the area under the curve to the left of 50, I am finding 50, which is really one standard deviation away from the mean to the left side. And I'm shading area to the left of that quantity. So I'm looking for the probability that x value is less than or equal to 50. Using the normal CDF function on the TI-84, I'm indicating the interval, the minimum value, and the maximum value on the interval. The minimum is negative infinity up to 50, with mean of 60 and standard deviation of 10. When you input that into your calculator, it will give you the result. The area to the left of 50 is 0.1587, which means that 15.87% of people are dissatisfied with their relationship. Here is another example. Suppose that the scores on the reading ability test are normally distributed with a mean of 70 and a standard deviation of 10. What proportion of individuals score less than 82 points on this test? Round your answer to at least 4 decimal places. First of all, I am told that the scores on this test are normally distributed, which allows me to use the normal curve. Normal curve is centered at the mean of 70 and has a standard deviation of 10, which helps me to identify an approximate location of the score of 82. It is a little bit to the right side of 70. I am shading area to the left because I wonder about the proportion of individuals who score less than 82 points. Probability that x is less than 82 is equal to normal CDF on the interval from negative infinity to positive 82 with the mean of 70 and standard deviation of 10, which results in the area to the left of 82 to be 0.8849. This means that 88.49% of individuals who took this test scored less than 82 points.